I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your...
I am Beyonce. Why did God give me this beauty? Like, it's just so overwhelming. Yo, this wig has got me all kinds of gas. Today's video, can you guess what it is? Like, I have a subtle change today. Like, just a subtle, nothing too crazy. Can you guys guess what it is? You guys have been gassing me about this hair and you've been asking and asking for a review, so of course I had to come through with a review. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna finally be a review on this hair. When I say it's table shaking, edge removing, edge snatching, let's talk. So let me quickly go through the spec. This hair is the Raven Elise wig. If you guys watch Raven Elise on YouTube, she custom designed this wig for RPGShow, so thank you to RPGShow for sending me through this wig. It's 20 inches, silky, 200% density, 200, not 150, not 120, 200, okay? And of course it's custom dyed blonde, but it's like a nice ashy blonde, not the basic B blonde. Like, sometimes the basic B blonde looks cute too, but I wanted something a bit different, you know. And this is like perfect. It's like a perfect, look at that, it's perfect combination of like blonde and silver. So you already know I've been living my best life with this hair. And literally since I inserted this hair on my head, I don't wash dishes no more. I don't wash dishes no more. I don't ever open my own doors because doors are just being opened for me. It's super affordable for what it is. It comes in a full lace wig. You don't have to be doing up needle and thread like knitting club, no. So it comes pre-dyed and toned, so you don't have to be running around trying to find toners, trying to find T26 this, Weller toner this, shimmer lights this. Like, no, it comes this color. Like, this color is exactly how it comes. It comes pre-plucked as always. You don't have to be messing around with that, and it's just honestly the best hair I've ever had in my life. Like, I can say that with my chest. The only thing I would say is it sheds, because obviously it's a custom color, it's bleached, dyed, toned and all of this. It's prone to shedding more, which is totally understandable, but literally other than the shedding, which is to be expected, this hair is hands down, hands up, hands down, hands left and right, my best hair, the best I've ever had in this lifetime, like ever, forever, ever. So I'm super grateful for this hair. You guys, I would highly recommend it if you guys want to change, especially that summer coming up. Look, it's summer coming up soon. You're trying to live your best life, why not look your best too, you know? So I'm just going to show you how I got it to this stage, from when it came out of the box to how it looks on my hair right now. So yeah, enjoy. You guys, we need to find a name for this wig. Comment below what you think this wig should be called. So this is how the hair comes straight out the box. Pretty cute, right? Hairline looks good already, but obviously I'm just gonna do a little bit of extra pre-plucking. I'm gonna get my tweezer as always and just pluck away. And then I'm gonna use some foundation, Fenty Beauty foundation, to tint the lace.
Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Ain't that where you need? Call me on my cell phone. Ain't that when you need my love? And I know when the holiday
that video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe if you did. Check out the links in the description box for this hair. Everything will be linked. Thanks to RPGShow for plugging me with this amazing hair. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.